Hey guys, what's going on? So let's talk about the design inspiration. As a website designer or working in a creative field, we all understand how much it is really painful for finding the design inspiration for our project. And for that reason, we go so many websites, we scroll endlessly, jumping from one and another website and getting stuck, feeling overwhelming. Yeah, I feel the same way as well. So I thought let's share my strategy and how I used to find my design inspiration, and maybe that might be helpful for you. Okay, so let's get started. What I am talking about, that called Pinterest. Yes, you heard me right. I know that's really underrated, but believe me guys, if you know the right way to use it, so you are definitely gonna be stop struggling finding the design inspiration. Okay, why Pinterest? Let's say when we are going Google and try to searching something, we get different type of content. For example, text based, video based, and images and audio, right? But in Pinterest, we are only get like image and the visual based information. And for that reason, this is one of the largest image and visual platform over the internet. So I think we can really able to use it properly. That's not really rocket science, and I will show you how you can use it. Okay, let's go on the screen. Let's say we are working on a SaaS project. So for that reason, just go to Pinterest and search your keyword like SaaS website design, and boom, you can see lot of design, and those are really looks amazing. Okay, so you can get the instant result. So what we are gonna be do, for example, if we like any design, okay, for example, I like this design. Okay, so as well as also this platform try to give you some of the related result based on this design. And one of the main cool features I really like in Pinterest newly, that is like the explore features. So if I click here, so it will also try to generate some of the design layout, maybe the color, the overall the looks based on our selection design. So right now you can see those design also somehow related to this design. Okay, it's try to produce you some related result as well. So you can see the different ideas and the different layout. Why we are finding the design inspiration? Because we can get the ideas from the different section. Let's say we are finding the hero section idea, let's say finding the property listing idea, right? And that's the way when we are exploring 10 to 20 different website, and after that we get every mix of taste of the layout, the design, the color, the typography, all everything. So you can like brainstorming at the same time, okay, see different designs, so then you can implement in your design. One of the most important things I would like to clear, that is, I'm not saying you should not using like the other website as like Dribbble, Behance and other website. No, you should use them as well. But my point is, first, when you are going to designing any project, so why not give a shot in Pinterest and then move to the other website as well. Okay, and also these are the website resources, they are also coming from those website. Okay, for example, the Dribbble and the Behance, and they are also producing the source of the image. Let's say if you like this design, and later you can also go through that where this design coming from, and then you can learn deeper. Okay, in the next time if you feel stuck or feeling overwhelming, so why not give a try on Pinterest and explore the ideas, maybe pin them if you really like some design, the visuals, because that's the way your all resources will be in the same place. And every time when you will visit like the Pinterest will automatically generate some design based on your previously browsing. And that's a really amazing features. I really like that, because every time I visit on Pinterest, I really getting like the working mood, or it's kind of mood board. Okay, and that's really cool feeling for me. Okay, so finally, if you know how to use Pinterest intentionally and purposely, I think you will really able to finding like the design inspiration and stop struggling to browsing so many websites. Okay, and maybe that might be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.